bit. All right, hello again everybody and welcome back. It's Scott and Cisco here from True Fat Cannabis Training. Just doing the second part of our unboxing video for the DAVINCI MIQRO Personal Vaporizer. We gave it a little bit of an unboxing in the park, and now we're just going to give it a bit of a wipe down, clean off all the internal parts and stuff before we turn the device on and give it a use there. So Cisco's just going to give it a bit of a clean down there with the ISO, and we'll just talk a little bit about some of the accessories, I guess, for a minute here while we're giving a little cleanup here.
Right. Yeah. So yeah, you can go over some of the accessories. I'm just going to start with taking apart the mouthpiece here.
Yeah,
you can.
Yeah. So it comes with a flat mouthpiece out of the packaging there. It also comes with another spare raised mouthpiece as well. So some people prefer a raised mouthpiece, and this unit actually is a 10mm adapter, so that can be adapted to a glass rig, or if you got a glass pipe you'd like to use with it, you can also adapt it for that use as well. So Cisco's just giving it a wipe down there on all the parts with some 99% isopropyl alcohol, and we've also got the little storage container there. That's a really neat little container. Holds a spare battery, and we've got the grinder card there, carrying case pouch, sort of the gripper sleeve or anti-shock kind of resistant case for the device itself. We've got our USB charge cord, little cleaning supplies there, some cleaning. We've got some alcohol wipes that come with it as well there, as well some pipe cleaners. Yeah. So how's that coming along?
It's going good, yeah. So
mouthpiece wipe down.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's really simple. There's basically just the one rubber gasket that goes around the mouthpiece. There's a zirconium.
Yeah, the all zirconium ceramic vapor path and chamber there. So yeah, you
can see how that comes out. Very simple. That can be cleaned
yeah,
as well.
So that's the vapor path they call it there. So that's pretty neat that actually comes out of the unit
itself. Comes right out of the unit for easy cleaning.
Clean it and wipe it down.
And then I'm just going to give the
so that's the actual chamber inside of there.
And you can see here in a second, you can see this is one of their neat features. This is what they call the Pearl. This gives you an adjustable bowl size. So you can see this screws up like so. I'm just going to clean under there while I've got it open, but you can see as that closes, that changes the effective size of the bowl as it closes. So that can be...
Yeah, so that allows you to adjust the bowl size to a smaller size if need be, or back it off to get more packed in there. But you do want to have your bowl packed to a pretty good density, usually to get the best transfer of heat.
Excellent. So I'm just going to close the bowl, speaking of which, and I'm going to run it for a second. Make sure it gets nice and hot before we add any material to it, and then we'll take it for a spin. So hit the on button 5 times to turn it on. It's telling me that it needs to be charged up here a little bit. And then to get rid of any alcohol or any remaining residue, I'm just going to turn the temperature up. Oops, I almost turned it off there. Turn the temperature all the way up to the top here.
Yeah, so that's going up there. Just holding down that button, I guess, and it's cycling up.
Seems like it, yeah, and then it looks like it's gone right to the top here.
So 430. Yep, so it looks like it's got upward arrows. It's in the heat cycle right now.
And we'll get a little bit of feedback from the vaporizer as well. It'll vibrate when it reaches temperature. So we'll just give it a second. It takes about 30 seconds to 45 seconds to heat up.
So just look at the packaging here for a quick second. Yeah, so they've got purity, innovation, and control. The sort of their three main tenets there. So all zirconium ceramic vapor path, 360-degree heating technology, the customizable oven size, which we were just talking about there, and built-in smart path and precision temperature options. So yeah, they've got 4 smart paths that allow you to keep the temperature sort of within a range of a predetermined path, or you can put it into precision mode and do individual increments by the degree for setting customized temperature.
So I just saw 406 degrees. It's going to be 430 degrees is our target temperature. So we're almost there now. No, there I
Got
heard
a
it
little bit of a
vibrate.
buzz, so it's-
4:30. Perfect. Okay, so there we are. I trust that most of the rubbing alcohol has been burned off. I think at this point we can turn it off again by pressing the off button 5 times.
Mm-hmm.
And you give this little, looks like it's going to give me a little message at the end there. I can't quite read what it says. What does it say? Mindful, maybe? Mindful. Very nice. Okay, well, let me just open up the back chamber. And I have a nice, you can see the ceramic bowl in there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just going to put in a little bit of fresh flower material here. I really like the way that the chamber's edges are tapered. It makes it much easier to load.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, see, I can
Kind of tap that, it sort of falls into the bottom there. You can sort of
Exactly.
scoop it in.
Now, in order to get this packed tightly, I am going to have to put in the pearl here. So let's just unscrew that a little bit. And that feels good. Okay. We'll turn it back on again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as soon as that vibrates, it might be a little bit of a high temperature. I might want to bring that down just a little under 400 degrees. I'm going to maybe just do that right now. And we'll just wait till that finishes heating up.
Yeah. So they got a couple other little things in there too, just some spare gaskets, a spare little pieces for the actual pearl itself, a little threaded base for it there. So they really give you all the little bits and pieces that you might need in case you run into any issues with wear and tear. If you drop something on the floor or something like that, it's always nice to have a spare piece on standby.
Just got a bit more haptic feedback from the vaporizer here, so I'm going to take a draw on it. It's 400 degrees. Let's check it out. Really nice. Very nice. Great flavor. Nice unit. Very compact. You can't beat that because it's right in the palm of your hand. Take it anywhere you go. Any expedition that you might have in your near future. Very cool.
Nice. So that's it for now, I think. We've just done a little bit of a check over on the unit, and we'll be doing a little bit more testing on this unit here and give you guys some more feedback. Maybe get another little adventure outside somewhere when the weather's a little bit more agreeable. All right, thanks for watching and have a good day.
Thank you very much.